To the church. I haven't been up here for a while, but I've been having some health issues. So here we go. This is a church that's looking really, really good. Oh boy, look at that. Beautiful church. Working on landscaping. They got the outside done. They're working on the inside. They're building a concrete stairway here. Sorry, it's in my car and you have to look through the window. You're doing a really good job. Okay, everybody, you have a great day. This is Scott and Ranger. It's Sunday. We are blessed. God bless everybody.